Now in the previous video, I showed you how to center content on the page by lining up the center points of your frames with the guides, the smart guides. But I want to show you another way to do it, and that's mathematically centering. So if I go to File and Open, I go to Chapter 3 and Folder 6, Center on the Page, Centering with Guides. Okay, I called this one Centering with Guides, but again, if I have smart guides, I don't need it. If I physically wanted to do that, I could go to this left side ruler. If you don't see the ruler, you hit Command R, and I could drag this over 4¼ inches, half of 8½, and click and drag this down 5½ inches, half of 11. So there's the center of my page. Now when I hit Command D for a document, I'll go to Chapter 3, Folder 6, and there's another photo. If I click and drag, I want the photo to be about that big. Well, that didn't quite land in the center. You can see the alignment points are not centered on my guide. If I take the black arrow and go out here, not on a corner and not in the center, and I move that, I can see that little center point. So if I click and drag, I can move it right there. That lines up with the nodes on my guides. But I want to show you how to do that without guides. So I'm going to delete that photo and delete my guides. Okay, I'll click on this guide, hit delete, click on this guide, hit delete. Now I'm going to bring in the photo again. Command D to place a document. There's the same photo. And I'm just going to click and drag up here. I want the photo to be about that big, but I don't have any guides to line it up. So what I'm going to do is do it by math. I'm going to click on my photo, not on the center, but near a corner. And I'm going to use my reference point. Okay, I'm going to click the middle reference point. That's indicating the middle of this photo. I want the middle of the photo to line up with the middle of the page. And the way I can do that is with the X and the Y values. X is the distance from the left side of the page. So halfway across would be 4¼ 4.25 inches, and I'll hit return. Y is the distance from the top of the page. Remember, from the top down to the center is 5½ inches. So I'll highlight the Y field, 5.5, and return. There, I've got perfectly centered content according to the mathematical coordinates of the center of this photo. Multiple ways to do the same thing. Like I said, if you've got smart guides, you don't have to worry about reference points. You just click and drag and get your guides to kind of line up right here. And that would also be on the center. So either way to do it, just remember there's multiple ways to achieve the same result. It's whatever you like and whatever you feel comfortable with, that's the one you keep going with. Okay, and that's it. Multiple ways to center.